Misfit Soul. So today I will be doing a Pokemon pack opening. I have 2 Fates Collide and 1 Roaring Skies. I have Zygarde, Lugia, and a Mega Rayquaza. So I'll open this one first. So excited. Last night my friend bought a got a booster pack and pulled a Mega Rayquaza. So hopefully I will get something good, because these were purchased at GameStop. So let's see. Got Solosis, Cottonee, Minccino, Whismur, Meowth, Kangaskhan, Cinccino, Shuckle, Omaster, I hate that Pokemon, and a Mandibuzz. So, not too great yet. So, let's see if Lugia will give us any luck. It's gold. Give us something. Okay. One, two, three, 1, 2. Oh, Sugar, Meowth, Larvitar, Burmy, Cottonee, Bronzor, nice Zygarde, the 10% one, Wormadam, and let's see, Pokemon Fan Club, and I saw this. We have a Carbink Break card. This is my first card. I love this card because it will have the ability Safeguard, so that is awesome. Actually, I might have done the card trick. And our actual rare is Omaster, like the last one. And that Pokemon creeps me out. I hate that Pokemon. And the last one, Roaring Skies. So if we get something good, I will be happy. If not, I will still be happy. Oh, let's open. Ugh. This one doesn't want to open. Let's open it like that. Since I love Rayquaza so much. Rayquaza is awesome. Ugh. Save that pack. Use these code cards for online. I play online, so if you guys want, I can link, or not link, I can put my username back in the description. Bagon, Wingo, Swallow, Shuppet, oops, I skipped a card. Shuppet, Unpheasant, I like that Unpheasant, it's nice. Electrode, Altaria, Gliscor, I like Gliscor, Gliscor's pretty good. And a Reverse Hollow Absol. So pretty great pulls. Really, this Carbink was the greatest card I pulled. And we got an Omaster. I absolutely hate Omaster. I'll probably give it to my friend because he creeps me out. I don't know if it creeps anyone else out, but he just creeps me out. So, thank you guys for watching. Please like and comment and possibly subscribe if you like more Pokemon. We'll be doing more Pokemon videos. I've recently gotten back into it. I just love it. So, yeah. Bye, guys.